So, I just recorded another video talking about the new season, but I bought some items that were in the new season. They're pretty cool, I guess. I guess they're kind of cool. But they're, my cat's meowing. What a bozo. My cat's meowing for no reason. There's nothing wrong. It's just meowing. But there's some new items. I don't know where. Headstone, okay. This is new, I think. Skeleton prop. R.I.P. Skelly, that he's just referred to as Skeleton now. Dead tree, ooh. But R.I.P. Skelly for being referred as Skeleton prop. My boy's been through so much, and he's just being referred to as a skeleton prop. Can we get an F in the comments for Skelly? R.I.P. man, like R.I.P. But there's also a new skin, not an alternate skin because there isn't another skin of her. Z Musician. What am I doing? What am I doing? Play. Ooh! Oh, the bear just follows her? The bear just follows her. Oh my god, he's following me. Hey, Skelly. Really sorry about what happened to you. You're just a skeleton prop now. She looks so cool. He's lighting up though, too. She doesn't have a wand, but I think the wand comes in something else. Why are you lighting up though? Why are you... Wait, what the... What's that music? Kill me? What is that music? I don't know what that music is. So we're gonna go back. What was that music? Nothing. Uh-oh. Huh? What is making that noise? Like below me? But... What? Huh. Oh, bruh. Wait, so the noise is only over here, though. What? Wait, what? I'm gonna need to do some stuff. Remove some doors. What is that noise? It's a mystery. That might never be solved, but it's a mystery. I'm stuck. Game. Why do I have a... Okay, I don't know what's going on with my tree. I didn't put anything down here to that music. What is the music? Alright, so... Player spawn. Bro, I need to go back and remove it. I'm more distracted. What's that noise? Delete. Alright, so... I mean, the true mystery in this video is why Skelly is referred to as a skeleton prop. Is it in here? What the heck? It's only from down there. But there's... What? What the heck? Where's the noise coming from? Like, let's switch skins. Maybe it's only her. Bro, this girl's murdered a kid. R.I.P. I'm so confused. What is that noise? I don't know. Change skin. Tigery Adventurer. Tigery Adventurer. Play. Oh, yeah, that's stupid of me, huh? Go down here. Oh, Skelly. Also known as Skeleton Prop. The heck? What is that noise? That is so weird. I don't remember replacing anything that made that noise. What the heck? What the heck? I have no items that would make that noise. I'm at a loss for words. Over here. Creepy. I don't know what that is. I know it's an Easter egg, but no way this would be the Easter egg. What would this mean? Wait, delete you guys. Maybe you're the cause. What's the other item? A tree. I ain't give up. I don't know what that noise is. It wasn't making this last time I was here. Weird.